Hello and welcome to this video to show you how to turn off the beeping keys and buttons on a Casio Databank watch. This particular model is the Casio DBC 610, and at the moment when I toggle through the various modes you will notice that it beeps. Now, to deactivate that beep, here's what you do. First of all, switch to the calculator mode. Secondly, you take this button, the top right and the top left. I usually start here with the top left, so push that with my nail. And then press the top right button at the same time and hold that for about a second or two. When I come out of that, you will see eventually that the watch no longer beeps when I toggle through the different options. I hope this has been helpful for you, and see you soon for another video.